Welcome to Steady Learning. We will keep up with our series Idioms Made Easy, and today's idioms will be connected, you guessed it right, with the color green. This is part 3 of our series. So let's begin. Our first idiom is green thumb or green fingers. This means to be good at gardening or growing plants. Let's look at the sentences. Aunt Martha has a green thumb. She grows the best strawberries. What this means is Aunt Martha is good at growing plants. I wish I had green fingers like my gardener. He has planted a beautiful flower patch near my kitchen. Green fingers refers to be good at gardening or growing plants. Let's move ahead. Next idiom is look green or look green around the gills. It means to look sick. The old man looked green, so they took him to the hospital, which means the old man was sick, and so they took him to the hospital for getting medical attention. Tanya was looking green around the gills after many joyrides. This means that Tanya was feeling sick in her stomach after going on one joyride after another. Let's continue. Our third idiom is to give or get the green light. It means to give permission or approval to do something. The engineer was given the green light to construct the flyover. In order to undertake a large construction work, one needs to get permissions. So, the engineer was finally given the green light or given permission to construct the flyover. After getting the green light from her parents, Misha went for a camping trip. Every child needs permission from his or her parents, and so, after she received permission from her parents, she went for the camping trip. Let's move further. Our fourth idiom is green with envy. It means to be jealous. Let's look at the sentences. When Ronita received an award, her competitors turned green with envy. Because Ronita received an award, the rest of her competitors were jealous of her success. Similarly, the whole class was green with envy after Andy stood first. Let's move on to our next idiom. Our last idiom is go green. It means an action to protect the environment. Have a look. I have decided to go green and stop using plastic, which means I have decided to take some steps to preserve the environment. Similarly, going green is the best way to preserve our planet. Going green means to take steps to ensure that our planet is not destroyed. It is time to test what we have learned today. Have a look at the sentences. Now shall we look at the answers? I hope you got your idioms right. Keep practicing these idioms and use them in your writing and speaking skills as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow my series on idioms made easy, then you could follow the link given on this page and even in the description box. Until the next video, bye-bye.